Most people think investing only works if you start with a lot of money. But what actually happens if you invest just $1,000 into the S&P 500? Let's break it down. Simple numbers, real data, no hype. First, what is the S&P 500? The S&P 500 is an index that tracks the 500 biggest companies in America. Think Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Nvidia. When you invest in the S&P 500, you're not betting on one company. You're betting on America's economy. Scenario 1. If you invested in 2010, from 2010 to 2025, the S&P 500 grew over 440%. Here's what that means. $1,000 to $5,430. $10,000 to $54,300. $50,000 to $271,500. $100,000 to $543,000. Same market, same return. The only difference is how much you started with. Scenario 2. Last 5 years, 2020 to 2025. Even with COVID, inflation, rate hikes, market fear, the S&P 500 still grew about 82%. Results? $1,000, $1,820. $10,000, $18,200. $50,000, $91,000. $100,000, $182,000. Not overnight money, but powerful, steady growth. Scenario 3. Just 1 year, 2024 to 2025. In one single year, the S&P 500 grew around 16%. That means $1,000, $1,160. $10,000, $11,600. $50,000, $58,000. $100,000, $116,000. Not magic, just markets doing what they do over time. This isn't about picking stocks. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. The S&P 500 rewards patience, consistency, staying invested. People lose money not because the market fails, but because they quit too early. You don't need perfect timing, insider tips, complex strategies. You need a simple ETF, time, discipline. Even small amounts grow when you let them compound. The question isn't, is the S&P 500 too late? The real question is, how much longer will you wait? If you want more simple, visual, no-stress money lessons, subscribe to Money Logic. We don't chase hype. We build wealth step by step.